Oh.
You can remember from the glass, the
Grass,
weights.
grass weights.
Yeah. If you go to the weights, the weights get here and stop. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the time. He's checking the time. Okay.
What time?
He said, you see, we have to be back for 11:30.
12.
Checking the time right now.
12:34.
No, 11.
Oh, right.
12:34.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll give you extra $5.
Oh man, this is nice.
Woo! Sepidas. And Sepidas. There you go. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right? Relaxing. And Sepidas. Go dito nga. We'll go later with dito. Kasi sayang lang yung space. That's why I let him go. You like it? You gonna like it for sure. There you go. Girls not at pass now. Ewan ko bakit nagpalyado. You put it on. Okay. Yo, hey, Jared. Yay. AJ. Wow.
Parang nagka-drive ka lang ng sasakyan.
Hello. AJ, how are you?
Anong nangyari? Bakit tayo ikot? Saan tayo pupunta?
Wala ng gas. Ubus na. Nabusan kami ng gas, mga kaibigan. Kailangan ng magsagwan.
Nasa kalagitnaan pa naman kami.
Kailangan magsagwan. Yay.
Malalim ka.
Malalim yan, ha?
Maraming seaweeds. Lalaki ng mga ano. Pero yung pang-isahan talaga.
Gigi. Jorin. Ah, nagpo-focus si Jared, ha? Ah. Hey. Oh! Oh! Bilis na. Bilis. Jared. Bilis.
Patay na bitbit. Ikaw? Marami pa ni Pedro Keno.
Hey. Oh! Bilis na. Bilis. Jared. Bilis.
Patay na bitbit. Ikaw?
Oh.